Hello viewers, this is Rafy once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm very excited to share information about a fantastic service type which you can provide on Fiverr to earn a good amount of money as a beginner, as a freelancer. So I'm actually talking about WIX website building services. Even if you're a complete beginner, if you have never ever created a website, still you will be able to use WIX drag and drop website builder platform to create, customize, design, redesign websites for your clients. And I'm going to share my gig on this service which you can follow to create your gig to generate income from Fiverr by providing this easy drag and drop website building services. So first of all, let me show you the details about the services, and then I'm going to show you from where you will learn another information. So here I'm on Fiverr, so I'm going to type out WIX and then I'm going to make a search here. And just take a look, we are going to see some suggested search keywords: WIX website design, WIX SEO, WIX design, WIX code, WordPress, Weebly, so whatever it is coming up. So here if you just notice, we have got less than 5,000 services available. And if I just compare this search result, let me take you to another tab, and then I'm going to search here, let's say WordPress, and let's see how many gigs are available here. 74,346 when we have got only 4,851 search. So just imagine what is the gap between the competition. So I'm going to cross this WordPress result, and then I'm going to take you to this WIX website design page, and then I'm going to open up this gig which has a little over 1,000 reviews and the price starting from $30 US, and I'm going to show you some information from this gig, and then I'm going to open this gig as well to describe some other information. Just take a look, people are making money, 128 reviews, 1k plus reviews. So you are going to find people which has over 1,000 plus reviews already, who are providing these WIX website design services to their clients. And the WIX website design is really easy. As you can see here, I have got 3 videos. From this video you are going to learn the core things, fundamental things about WIX, like how WIX works, how to use WIX tools to create, customize a website. In this video I have created a website from the scratch. From nothing we have created a beautiful website on this video. And in this video we have created a website, we have connected a custom domain name, we have purchased a premium plan, so that you will be able to purchase a premium plan, you'll be able to set up custom domain name for your client. And here is the website which we have created from the in this video, where we have 23 minutes and we have created this website. On the video we have added this professional domain name, we have added our image, we have customized some of the information as you can see here. So you'll be able to create beautiful, stunning websites even if you're a complete beginner, and you'll be able to make money. And I'm actually going to show you what are the websites people are making for their clients and making money on Fiverr by providing this service. So let's say this gig where we have got 1168 reviews, 5-star reviews, and currently this person is working with 5 clients. Okay, so the pricing starting from $200 US, and the client, this person is going to work like, as you can see, contact me first. So she is a high demandable freelancer. So in this case I'm going to omit her profile from here, but in this page we are going to see another person who is providing the same services, and for one page he is charging like $60 US, and for 5 pages he is charging $100 US, for 10 pages he is charging $200 US. And if I just take you here, design and develop a WIX website from scratch. So if you watch this video, you are going to be able to learn how to build a website from the scratch, step by step. I'm going to attach the link into the video description for you to watch the video to learn the process. And then let's say fully responsive on mobile, tablet and laptop. So I have demonstrated the process how you can make your website mobile responsive on this video, also on this video. So these are really simple on drag and drop website service like WIX, so you don't have to be worried about these things. Then design unique and original graphic elements and icons. He knows some graphical works, so this is a plus point for him. But if you don't know, you don't have to worry about these things, because these are not really mandatory. Mostly clients provide us their logo, client provides us the image which you have to use on their website, client provides us the content which you have to put on the website as well. And then you have got redesign your existing WIX site. So let's say I have got this website. Now I want to change this text from here. So this could be mentioned as website customization or redesign. All right, so let's say instead of successful you, let's say become the most valuable person. I could just write it here, and then let's say the client needs something, instead of Facebook icon here, he wants me to put his let's say Instagram icon here, and then YouTube icon, then Facebook icon, then Pinterest, LinkedIn, etc., or whatever he wants. And let's say he wants some customization on this button, then we have to make the changes for our client, and this is what it called like website customization. And now let's say the client wants some information I want to put here. As you can see, I'm on the website editor bar here, and let's say my client wants something to be added here, which is going to be like, I'm going to type out here interactive, and I'd love to take this plate here. Okay, just as an example purpose, and it is going to be added up here within few seconds. Just take a look, we have got a beautiful thing appeared here. Now we'll be able to change the slides which you have got here. It's seeing 3 slides available here. We have got backgrounds, etc. So now if I just click on preview, we are going to see a beautiful change has been made. So now if I just click here, something is changing, just take a look how dynamic is this website is going to be look like just by adding a simple thing here. So now I'm going back to editor, and I'm going to click on this undo button to make the change disappeared. And this is how you have to customize your website. You have to redesign your website for your client, and then follow the style of another site you like. Let's say client has showed you this website. Now you have to create this website, or I'm going to actually show you. Let's say your client has interest to get a website just like this one, which you have created throughout this video. Okay, I'm going to attach the link for sure. So the client needs a website just like this one to be created for him or for herself, where we have got image, videos, and contents, etc. Okay, so now you will be able to create a website, more than beautiful website than this one, by watching this video. Okay, so I have just demonstrated the process, and we have created this website throughout this video. But if you want, then you will be able to use the processes that I have mentioned, that I have demonstrated, that I have showed on the video, to create beautiful, stunning websites from the scratch for your client. And just take a look, follow the style of another site you like. So let's say client has showed you this example. You'll be able to simply drag and drop and make a website for your client by following the design which he or she is going to provide you. And then we have got creating a custom responsive design. All right, so that's the same thing. This website is going to be this website is going to be responsive to a mobile device, to a tablet, to whatever device or whatever screen size it is going to go on. All right, and it's really easy to do. You just simply have to click on this mobile icon, switch to mobile mode, and then you just have to do the customization for a mobile device to give it the proper look for a mobile device. All right, and it's really easy. Okay, so I have demonstrated the process in this video. All right, and then we have got, let's say, what are the services, setting up and customizing the store. So I haven't yet made a video on how to set up an e-commerce store, so I'm going to make a video for sure. And then we have got adding items to your store. So these are the things which we are lacking of. But if you want to start from now, just like me, let me show you my gig. So if I show you my gig here for this service, as you can see, I am going to provide custom website design, redesign existing site, blog site setup, e-commerce solution. I know how to create a e-commerce store, but I didn't put a video yet, but I'm going to make a video for sure. Desktop, mobile, and tab responsive. And I have just mentioned you, actually give you some hints how you can easily make any website mobile responsive. All right, you just have to drag and drop things, and you just have to resize these things to make it look beautiful on any device. And then here we have got speed optimization. We are going to talk about how you can decrease the size of image to make it more faster loading. And then we are going to talk about SEO optimization, important features, enable, and etc., whatever information. And here I'm charging one page for $30 US, and here we go, for $90 US I'm going to provide 4 pages, and then for $150 US I'm going to provide 10 pages of website. And then I'm going to increase the pricing for sure when I'll have some reviews on my Fiverr gig, especially for this gig. All right, so if I just take you here, Wix host platform installation, basic social media integration into work with clients. So let me show you here. Here, if I just click on this Facebook icon, it is going to lead anyone to my Facebook page. Just take a look. It is showing me facebook.com/Azharul Rafy. So this is what it means, like social media integration. If we click on YouTube, it should lead the user to my YouTube channel. It should lead the user to the client's Instagram account, client's Pinterest account, client's LinkedIn page, whatever the social media accounts he or she has, right? So you have to link them properly, and then you have to link a proper linking to these buttons as well, etc, etc. So these are the services people are providing. And now if I just show you some of the live sites which this person had created for his client 2 days ago, he received this review. Just take a look. This is a very simple looking website, and you will be able to create a very simple looking website just like this one by creating, actually by choosing a template which already been available on Wix platform, and then you have to just update the information and then provide the access to the client. That's the work which you have to do for this job. So let me show you a little more. Here we have got the header section, some information here, then we have got something here, and very simple landing page here. You'll be able to do this even if you are a complete beginner. And then we have got this website example. Just come and visit some of the gigs here available on Wix platform, and then see some of their works to get the idea of what people are providing, how much they are charging, and then what are the required skills that you need. As you can see here, 5 pages, design customization. I've mentioned how to customize a website by working on this platform. I have added something here before. All right, and then I've mentioned how you can make your website mobile responsive, 5 plugins or extension. This is really easy. If you are using an Android phone, if you are using an iPhone, then you know how to add these apps to your phone, and the same process from their app store, from Wix app store, you have to install the extension to your website. The same process, so you don't have to worry about these things. We are going to learn, and you're going to get some idea about these things from these videos. Okay, and I'm going to have few more videos added up here on my channel. Okay, so then we have got here e-commerce functionalities, 10 product setup. So we are going to learn about these things soon, so you don't have to be worried about these things. So you can start from this basic section from here. So if you are interested, you can start from here. As you can see, 1 page, design customization, content upload, responsive design, 1 plugin or extension. I have mentioned the full process throughout these 3 videos. If you watch them, you are going to learn how to create a website without e-commerce functionality and product uploading. All right, so you should be able to provide this service very easily to any client, and it is going to take around 3 to 5 hours maximum, and sometimes it takes less, sometimes it takes more, but you're going to charge 30, 20, 50, 60, 100 US dollars. People are making like 500 US dollars for one single page. So it depends on your demand, client's budget, and then your experience. All right, and then just take a look. This person is currently working with 36 clients, so that's a fantastic thing. So I have already mentioned what is the competition here. The competition is very less, so if you are interested, you can watch the videos to learn how Wix platform works, how to make a website on Wix, how to customize a website through Wix, how to connect a domain name to a professional how to connect a professional domain name to a Wix website, how to purchase a premium plan for your client, etc, etc. So if you're interested, you can watch these videos, and I'm going to attach the link of this gig so that you'll be able to see what I have typed out, what I have written here on this gig, so that you will have a crystal clear idea like what are the information you have to enter, and then how to create a gig on Fiverr. And if you need more help on how to set up more things, how to create gig on Fiverr, etc, etc, how to create a profile in Fiverr, I'm going to attach the full playlist.
Good
As
grammar
you can see,
and
I'm actually
spelling
going to stop it out here, and then just take a look. I have got videos on how to make profile on Fiverr, how to create Fiverr gig image. These are actually these things, this image. All right, so how you can create this beautiful image which is really eye-catching, and then Here I have got how to create a gig on Fiverr and get ranked and order first on Fiverr. Then I have got more videos, send effective buyer requests, how you can get orders, how to deliver a completed order on Fiverr, etc, etc. Throughout this playlist I'm going to attach the full video list into the video description for you, so if you're interested you will be able to watch them to learn the step-by-step process. So I believe I was able to help you with some information throughout this video, and if you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, which is going to help me for sure to upload the next video and to see that if you are interested or not. And then please let me know your opinion by commenting below. Share this video to help your friends and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos in near future. I have to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.